This video is for my sons, so they can at very least make their hamburgers in the air fryer while I'm at work. Whether you bought the hamburgers already shaped like this or you have a pound of meat that you want to divide up into burgers, what's important here is that when you shape them, they're about ½ an inch thick. If you bought them just like this, you're gonna wanna season them at least with salt and pepper on both sides. Or you can also take your favorite all-purpose seasoning, taco seasoning, whatever you love, and use that. Now, if you don't like to handle the meat, just rub it over the top, flip it over, and sprinkle it on the other side. If you want all your hamburger to be seasoned, what I do is I sprinkle it all in the middle and mix it all in my patty so every bite is well seasoned. And then you shape them back up into circles. And if you have a plate, you would press it down so your burger is about the same size and shape as where you started. What's important here is that whether you shape them by hand or season them to shape, that they're all the same thickness. So this way they cook evenly. While I season the rest, I'm preheating my air fryer for about 5 minutes so my grates are nice and hot. If you bought a pound of meat, add it to a bowl and season it really well with salt, pepper, any way you like really, and mix it really well. To shape them, I divide it into 2 pieces and then each of these into 2, which then I shape by hand and make sure that they're all more or less the same size and the same thickness. The middles tend to be the last thing to cook through. So for even cooking, I press down in the middles at all my patties so they're a little bit thinner. Now my air fryer has preheated, so my grates is nice and hot. All I have to do is take my patties and put them all in the bottom. Now you can cook 1 or 2 or 4 at a time. Here's a mom tip for you. Because your air fryer is gonna get really hot and your beef patties are going to release grease at the bottom, you're gonna wanna add a little bit of water to it to prevent it from smoking out and raising the fire alarm. Let's cook these at 370 for about 10 minutes, where a little more than halfway through, I'm going to open the air fryer and flip them over so they cook on the second side. And just like that, these burgers are cooked to perfection. All you have to do is figure out how you want your burger dressed. I like mine with lots of veggies, some pickles for crunch, and maybe a side of fries. This is burger perfection. All the settings, mix-ins, everything you need to know is right below this video. And if you're into these easy air fryer recipes, watch this one next. See you next time. So good. It's perfect.